So let's begin in a comfortable seated position. Allow your sitting bones to press down into the earth. Roll your shoulders up, back, and drop them down, and slightly lengthen your spine. Gently close the eyes and imagine there's a beautiful, vibrant, shimmering white light all around your body. And as you inhale, you take this light into your body, and exhale, let it go. Inhale the love, and exhale everything else. Inhale calm, and exhale anything you're holding on to that it's time to let go. Beautiful. Enjoy your day.